Hello friends, my name is Sakshi Harat and I am going to tell you about on a special subject. I think this subject can be very useful for you and my subject name is Understand Yourself. I am starting my speech with two lines. That two lines are, if you think a glass is a half empty, then always remember a glass is a half full. I explain this line with some example. I think Lancaster is the best example of this line. Because Lancaster is a very famous person and he has lot of qualities. Like he can swim. Not only he can swim, but he can gold medalist in swimming. He can teach properly. He can drive a vehicle. But reality is he is a handicapped person. Even then he can do anything. A big question arises here, how it can be possible? The answer of this question is only two words, that is understand yourself. Sir understand himself properly and today he is one of the big and one of the famous person and one of the good teacher here. Another example, I think Stephen Hawking is the best example. Stephen Hawking is a great and famous scientist of 21st century. But reality is he was suffering from a rare and very dangerous disease. But even then he is in history today. How it can be possible? Because Stephen Hawking say their half full glass, not towards the half empty glass. He saw their only qualities, not the disqualities. So please understand yourself properly. Understanding is a very important. But one obstacle will always live with you. That is a people. People will say you lot of wrong things. Like people will compare you with others. Comparison is a good thing, but self-comparison is a good thing, and comparison with other is only a loss of confidence. You cannot speak like me because your speaking tone is a different. You cannot write like me because your handwriting is a different. You cannot teach like sir because your teaching style is a different. So how we can compare with me? Compare with yourself only, not with others, and achieve your goal. People will say you are disabled, but you have to say yourself, I am not disabled, I am a differently able, because you are a different, you have a different qualities and you can achieve everything. People will say you are weak, but you have to say yourself, you are not weak. I am not weak, I am a strengthful girl, I am a strengthful boy. People will say you lot of negative things, lot of negative thoughts, but you have to remember, word can break, word can damage, but we use a positive word, then that word can make also. And always remember, positive thinker can see invisible and can achieve impossible.